Hi, I'm Anu Taneja, makeup artist, and we are here today with Sakshi and Smriti learning about self makeup application. So, just to give a brief explanation of how we start at a beginner level, you just start with moisturizing your skin. You can use any moisturizer that you usually use, it should just be hydrating according to your skin type. If it's dry and if it's oily, then it should be mattifying. Then you start with the application of your sunscreen, then a primer, then we would start with foundation, then color correction if it's required, then blush, contouring and powder, and then we'll start the eyes. Okay, so you put your makeup, your foundation on your skin first, and then you can go in circle motions. With a rounder brush, you need circular motions.
I think this one is very easy.
You should take the brush that you are comfortable with. If you're not comfortable with the flat brush,
So
go for a rounder
yes,
brush.
yes.
Even if it is not meant for foundation and you are still comfortable with it, go for it. There's no right and wrong in makeup. So it just disappears in her skin like that. And again the same thing, whatever is left on the brush, I'm just gonna go over here her ears like that. Yeah. Picking up very slight and then till your hairline, yeah, don't leave your hairline. There should not be a stark line just stopping here before the hairline. It should go into like that. See where the top of your ear is and corner of your mouth. So you have to go in a line like that, and that's where the hollow of your cheek is. And naturally you can actually see the hollow is right there where it's supposed to be. So we'll go from here. You see the top of your ear. Like that.
Okay.
And from behind your ear we'll go like this, just to give you a more defined jawline. Your nose is pretty fine, it's quite defined already, so we don't need to, but just near here under your eyebrow you can go in a line like this. See in the mirror? And maybe it's just slightly here. Okay?
Okay.
And here you will go in this motion, the feather motion. Remaining exactly where you've put your product, you're not going down. If you go down, then you're bringing everything down, and then you're not really, you're bringing the hollow down. You can go slightly higher like that. And then keep blending till it just is a shadow. Yeah. Same here, from the back of your ear, you bring it. And yeah, and near the nose, you will just go under your eyebrow for Sakshi. Tapping off the excess. And then just going. You see this pink is popping, yeah? You have an option of choosing either this dark shade of pink blush or you can go lighter. It's up to you. But the thing is, you can go lighter when you apply powder over it. This looks powder, but it is actually cream based. You can go like this and you can go like this. Zyada aa bhi jaye na, like on your brush, you can go at the back of your hand like this and get rid of extra and go like this. With your blush, I'm not going like this, and I'm going like this because it's cream based.
Okay.
After you've applied it everywhere, then you can go in an 8 motion.
Okay.
Or just like that. Yeah. If you feel it's too much, no worries. You have your foundation brush. You can again go over it. Or you can, when you're applying powder finally, it will get lighter. Remember? Now you can use the same brush for your highlighter as well.
Okay.
Or you can go with a brush like this. So you apply it first. And you make like this a triangle.
Okay.
And the bridge of your nose. Not applying it everywhere, just see where there's a little high point, just applying it there. Yeah. And then you blend it. You can use either your finger or you can go with this. The crease that you see right here when you close your eyes is the foundation, because we've not set anything yet. Yeah.
Like that. Okay.
So we are ending the makeup now. We've finished her look completely with the final shimmer brick, using Bobbi Brown shimmer brick, and she has the it looks like it has natural shine. The skin is glowing right now. You can see if you move a little bit towards the light, you will see. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it.